Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. As we have gone through many videos on Node.js connection with MongoDB, such as Node.js connection to the MongoDB database. As we know, MongoDB is a NoSQL document oriented database, which is very popular database. We have also seen latest video was Node.js insert operation with MongoDB. Also we have seen C language connectivity to MongoDB, then C++ connectivity to MongoDB, which are also became popular videos of me. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. We are going to see a new app with Node.js, Bootstrap and MongoDB. First of all, we will go to the public directory. In that, we will see index.html file. Here we are having CSS part, HTML part. First of all, name, then reason for contacting, then email ID, then phone number and city and state address. That's all. Now we another go file HTML. When the form information is completed successfully and values will be stored in the database, then only then this page will be displayed. We have applied CSS part to the form designing part. This comes under CSS, this part. Now we will go to the main file, server file, that is index.javascript file. First of all, Express is a lightweight component which is used to interact with the server framework. Node.js, constant mongoose, we require mongoose connection to the MongoDB database. Then port number 3000 where server will be started, creating instance of Express, then connection string. Then this statement is very important since our all files are in public directory, so we need to refer the public directory. That's why it is written extended is equal to true. Then redirecting to the home page index.html. Then we want to insert the values in MongoDB database. That's why these statements are written. Request body, city, state and address name. And this is MongoDB statement. DB collection users and insert one. Data inserted successfully if and then redirected to the form submitted HTML. Port server needs to be started. Now we will execute the program. Yes, server has been started. Now we will see the form. Yes, form has been displayed. Sorry. Saurav Ganguly, email ID saurav@gmail.com, city Kolkata, address R Road, reason cricket matches, phone number State Bay of Bengal. Now we'll submit the form. Yes, form submitted successfully. Now we will see whether the values are stored in the database or not. Use project show collection. It is users db dot users dot find. Yes, Saurabh Ganguly name is stored, cricket matches. So we are successfully done with new app with Node.js, Bootstrap and MongoDB database. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.